You're sitting there, scrolling through countless videos, searching for the answer to your deepest desires. You click, hoping to find the solution to unlock the secret that will bring your dreams to life. And now here you are with bated breath, ready to embark on a journey of manifestation. But what if I told you there's more than just the surface? Level, techniques, and methods you've tried before? What if I promised you something extraordinary? A trick so powerful it will transform your manifestation journey? Welcome, my fellow seekers, to a pivotal moment of possibilities. In this video, I will share with you a secret that will revolutionize the way you manifest, whether you're already on this path or just beginning your journey. You see, manifestation is not just about the destination. It's about the journey, the process, and the hidden treasures along the way. And today, I will reveal to you the key that unlocks the true power of manifestation, a key that goes beyond what you thought was possible. But don't be fooled, my friends. This is not your ordinary manifestation learning. This is an invitation to dive deep, to explore uncharted territories of the mind and spirit. It's time to tap into your innate potential and discover the wonders that await you. So I urge you to stay tuned until the very end, for every word, every insight, and every revelation in this video holds immense value. You cannot afford to miss a single moment, for within it lies the knowledge that will forever change the trajectory of your manifestations. But before we embark on this transformative journey together, I kindly ask you to show your support. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, not only will you become part of an incredible community, but you will also ensure that we can continue to bring you invaluable content to fuel your manifestation endeavors. All right, let's begin. Have you ever experienced that moment when everything seemed to align perfectly in your life? When it felt like the universe was conspiring to bring your desires to fruition? That's the beauty of true manifestation. It goes far beyond surface level techniques. It requires a deep connection with your inner self, your intuition, and the divine energies that surround us. For example, think of a time when you had a gut feeling or a sudden inspiration that led you to take action. That inner knowing, that whisper from your soul, is the key to unlocking your manifestation potential. When you align with your inner self and tap into the divine energies, you become a powerful conduit for manifesting your desires. We're often conditioned to seek external validation or to rely on external guidance when it comes to achieving our desires. But deep down, there's a part of us that holds all the answers, the part that is intimately connected to our higher self. It knows what needs to be done, what steps to take, and the path to follow. Think back on a time when you doubted yourself, unsure of the journey ahead. Yet something inside you urged you forward, assuring you that you were on the right track. That's your inner knowing, your intuitive guidance. Trusting and tapping into this innate wisdom is the key to unlocking the true process of manifestation. By connecting with your inner self, you access a wellspring of knowledge and clarity. It is through this connection that you will find the answers and the guidance you seek. Remember, you are more powerful and intuitive than you may realize. Many of us have been taught that accepting life as it comes should be our primary focus rather than looking for chances at succeeding or gaining what we want from life. In a society that often encourages us to settle and accept the status quo, it's no wonder that many of us have been conditioned to believe that we should simply accept life as it is. We are taught to believe that ambition and the pursuit of our desires are unrealistic or even selfish. But what if I told you that there is another way? That the manifesting community has opened up new possibilities by challenging this belief and embracing the idea that we can still achieve our deepest desires, regardless of past experiences or current difficulties. Think about it. Throughout history, remarkable individuals who have dared to dream big and pursue their aspirations have reshaped the world we live in today. They didn't settle for accepting life as it was handed to them. They believed in their inherent power to create change and manifested their visions into reality. The truth is, it takes a shift in mindset to break free from the limitations imposed by society. By embracing the belief that we have the power to shape our own destiny, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities and opportunities. Manifesting is not about passively accepting what life throws at us. It's about actively creating the life we desire. It's about stepping into our own power and taking inspired action towards our goals. It's about recognizing that we are co-creators of our reality and that we have the ability to shape our lives according to our dreams. It's completely natural to feel skeptical when encountering new ideas that challenge our beliefs and ask us to have faith in something beyond what we've been taught. Manifestation, with its emphasis on belief and faith, can seem like a departure from the traditional mindset of hard work and struggle. We're conditioned to view success as something that can only be achieved through blood, sweat, and tears. We're made to believe that if we aren't constantly hustling and sacrificing, we're not worthy of our desires. So when we come across the concept of manifestation, which suggests that we can attract what we want through alignment, positivity, and belief, it can feel like we're fooling ourselves. But here's the thing. Manifestation is not about bypassing effort or avoiding taking action towards our goals. It's about combining our efforts with a deep belief in our capabilities and the abundance of the universe. If we observe successful individuals who have harnessed the power of manifestation, we'll find that they didn't sit idle, waiting for things to magically happen. They took inspired action, made strategic decisions, and persevered through challenges. The key difference is that they did all this while maintaining a mindset of belief and abundance. So, if you feel like you're fooling yourself when embracing these new ideas, I encourage you to step back and reflect. Examine your beliefs, fears, and doubts, and be open to the possibility that there may be more to the conventional understanding of success. Embrace the power of intention, align your actions with your desires, and trust that your belief in yourself and the universe's abundance will propel you towards your goals. And there you have it, my friends, the power of connecting with your inner God and unlocking the wisdom within. By taking just a few minutes out of your day to nurture this sacred connection, you can experience clarity, understanding, and a deeper sense of purpose. Allowing time for contemplation in the internal garden of your soul opens up a space for reflection, introspection, and manifestation. It's in this tranquil sanctuary that your intentions take root and flourish. I encourage you to make it a daily practice, even just 10 minutes a day, to connect with your inner self. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply being present in the moment, this dedicated time will bring you the clarity, faith, and practical direction you need to manifest your deepest desires. If you found value in this video, I kindly ask you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to have you as part of our community, where we explore the realms of manifestation and personal growth together. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We love hearing from you and learning from one another's journeys. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, my friends. Remember, you have the power within you to create the life you truly desire. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as the magic unfolds.